Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Bajrangi 2 official trailer.
Yes, and we have Dr. Shivaraj Kumar in this movie. The casts are, of course, Dr. Shivaraj Kumar and Bhavna Menon and others. And the movie is written and directed by A. Harsha, produced by Jayanna Bhogendra, and the music is given by Arjun Jania. Okay, so let's get started. I think already Bajrangi 2 का teaser हम देखे थे.
It was there, I'm not sure.
टीजर शायद लॉन्ग बैक यस एंड उस टाइम से ही हमें एकदम इसका स्पार्क एक बहुत ज्यादा है बजरंगी का राइट एंड
स्पार्क
बहुत एकदम इसका बीजीएम भी बहुत मजेदार एकदम जबरदस्त टाइप का था तो वी थॉट ओके कब इसका ट्रेलर निकलेगा तो टुडे इज द डे एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड बट उससे पहले इफ यू डू दिस चैनल प्लीज सब्सक्राइब चैनल गाइस एंड आल्सो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन बेल
यस आल्सो प्लीज फॉलो अस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम
या तो चलो शुरू करते हैं
यस
Jayanna Films.
भगवते वासुदेवाय धनवन्तिये अमृतकलशा
Hands down. This is unbelievable.
Actually, I am not sure how to define this
How
movie.
to define this
Seriously.
beauty?
I
This
don't
is
know.
a beauty, cinematographic beauty, like really we are speechless. I am speechless to be very frank. This
The
is
way
the
this
ultimate trailer we have ever seen on our
yes,
channel.
exactly.
I think we have done reaction videos from so long, 1+ year, but this kind of trailer I think we have seen very less. This kind of trailer, this is ultimate.
Right.
Wow.
Lot of the trailer we have seen that is not that much beautiful, but yes, due to actor or some different circumstances, it got boomed so much. But this is seriously, this I really liked it. The way it was executed and the way piece by piece it was syncing together. Wow.
क्या BGM है, मतलब
हाँ.
BGM itself is like
Was
commendable.
Actually,
Who has
it was
done the
attracting.
music?
It was attracting
Yeah,
the
Harsha, I
audience
think.
attraction.
Yes,
Right? The BGM.
Yes, very true actually.
Yes, sir.
The music is
is
Arjun Jania. Okay,
Okay.
Arjun Jania has done brilliant job. He's the
Brilliant
music
job.
director, his team, and like I can totally say that firstly the picturization of
Yes.
this movie is unbelievable.
Right.
The way it was like all the thing is portraying, it is like mentioning that some purvajan shayad
Something, I feel like
something
that
like
one.
that.
He
हाँ,
went to
पूर्वजन्म
something past. because,
past maybe.
particularly his attire,
Some tribal-
attire was totally
हाँ.
different from the situation it was there
Yes,
around
yes.
that. So I
And
think
maybe
he
they are
went to the
slaves or
past.
something, or they are lower caste people who are getting very tortured or
yes.
something
Or some
because of the
kingdom,
sake of
some kingdom
हाँ,
people
पूजा
are
or
there,
something.
right?
हाँ, किसी का गला काट दे रहे थे. They are like all are torturing because some of the tribal women are crying and they are just against the ruler, something like that. हाथ में sword वगैरह लेके. तो to be very frank, the context is not totally clear,
Yes,
but
I
yeah,
think
we
this
can
is
understand
this
that.
is one of that trailer
somewhat like-
where we are not able to identify the
Identify,
story, how
very true.
the story will go on, because the
Just
way
have
it
to
was
see the
executed slowly, it was looking beautiful, but it's
unpredictable. And of course शिवराज कुमार जी का जो आंखों का मतलब his eyes were like
plays a
speaking
beautiful role.
beautiful. He is having a extraordinary kind of a body language, and he is just standing, his eyes were like popping out, his angry face, मतलब everything सब कुछ मिला जुला के it's 10 on 10. It's 10 on 10 from our side.
Exactly. And I
To be very
think nowadays Kannada film is also, they are going to a little bit greater height also, right?
Yes, they are upgrading their standard, and
standard.
we are supremely proud of Kannada film industry, because if you see a lot of movies are there, KGF वगैरह देख लो, फिर बहुत सारा movies है जो doesn't need any introduction, like Punit Rajkumar, a lot of heroes are there, but this movie I think will be like reaching to some other extent, this Bajrangi 2.
Yes, exactly. We don't know how it will do in the box office, but from our side it's beautiful creation.
The trailer is
and
awesome, man.
And this movie is going to release in theaters, hopefully, because they haven't mentioned anything that
Yeah,
it's
29th October.
releasing on theaters or OTT platform, but I'm hoping that this movie is going to release on theaters.
In theaters only.
On
If this
20th
movie is
October.
getting released in some of the OTT platform, please let us know, because we would like to see this movie and understand
Actually, we
the
are
whole
out of
context.
Bangalore, so we don't know this movie will get released in our side or not. But yes,
but
it's if it's releasing in OTT platform, it will be pleasure for us.
So एकदम पहले मतलब एकदम starting में it was showing that some puja, some festival or some ritual, not festival, some ritual sort of thing is going on, and a lot of people are gathering, and they were just their face is very serious, something. And after that we saw that some लड़ाई वगैरह कुछ हो रहा था, some मतभेद or something can be there, so that is why the लड़ाई is happening. And at that time only all the people are wearing some पहले जमाने का kind of कपड़ा, but शिवराज कुमार जी का कपड़ा it's like totally different. So that is why I am also thinking that maybe he has gone to that time, went to the past, and he is like doing something unfinished work.
Maybe that will be happen also, and also it can happen because we have seen some of the magical things
also happening कि उसका सोल निकल रहा था, कुछ एक रिचुअल बन रहा था, उसमें एक आदमी खड़ा था, उसका सोल निकल रहा था, राइट. एंड वो सीन ने तो मेरा तो ये हो गया, पूरा घूसबम्स आए कि एक लेडी खड़ी थी, उसके मुंह पे पूरा ब्लड का स्प्लैश था, एंड उसका सर कटा हुआ था सामने जो था. Oh my god, the execution, I always like wonder how they do this kind of execution, man. This is unbelievable. Right? Really, we can't even, we normal person can't imagine how technology has got upgraded and how they're utilizing this technology.
Talent of VFX
very
people,
salute to the team, man.
Yes.
Really.
And yes, of course, picturization was superb.
Yeah.
The cinematography, whatever it was showing, it was superb.
Actress
and
also.
Yes,
actress,
her facial expression was angry expression she was giving. That was also too good. And also background music was 10 on 10.
That was 10 on 10. The background music I will give the maximum. मतलब उससे भी ज़्यादा 10 क्या, मैं 100, 1000 कितना चाहो मैं दे सकती हूँ because of this
because it
BGM.
was beautiful.
It was marvelous. So yeah, really enjoyed. This is a 10 on 10 performance from my side, from our side, and this is the trailer is like ultimate. Right. So yeah, if this movie is getting released in Hindi or with the subtitle in the OTT platform, please let us know, because we just want to witness this kind of beauty.
Yes.
Okay, and
it will be really a pleasure for us.
Pleasure for our eyes.
Movies.
Yeah, very true. Yeah. Always like me and Abhay always like sit as a reactor. We always like try to
Watch
investigate,
different
watch
type of
different
movie.
movies, and want to talk a lot of things, communicate with you all that what we have understood, what is our context out of that, and every single thing, because that is what the reaction channel meant
Yes,
for,
of
right?
course, of course. And
So,
also, the more we see,
really,
the more knowledge we will get for the movies.
सीखने का
right?
तो कोई ये नहीं होता, अंत नहीं होता, right? So yeah, that is it actually. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you love our reaction, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in our next video. Till then,
Bye.